Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 7 Imagination. So this is a poem about a poet's imagination. This poem deals with imagination of the poet. The poet imagine different things. Before starting the poem, let us read the word meanings. Pirate, a person who attack and rob ships at sea. So pirate is mainly a robber who attacks at the ship. Seven sea means all the ocean of the world. Cowboy means a man on horseback who herds and tends cattle, especially in the western United States. So cowboy takes care of the cattle. Daily green means daily work. Core means daily work. Aglow means glowing. Deeds means brave acts, brave things which a people do. Here some words regarding the poem are given. Jules Verne. Jules Verne is a French novelist. He was in fact one of the first writer of science fiction. Dr. Livingstone, he was a Scottish missionary and explorer. Huckleberry Finn. He is a protagonist of the novel Adventure of Huckleberry Finn by the Mark Twain. Mostly he was the hero of the novel Adventures of the Huckleberry Finn. Now let us start the poem. I used to play at pirates and sailed the seven seas. Then I was a cowboy. This simple thing did me please. So the poem start with the imagination of the poet that he was a pirate who used to sail the seven seas of the world, and then he was a cowboy and he played the role of a cowboy and he did things, and the things which he did in the form of a cowboy pleased him very much. I had a vivid imagination. Adventure was always on my mind. I discovered the joy of reading and escaped the daily grind. So the poet here tells that he had a large imagination. He used to imagine all the time. He used to imagine about the adventure, what kind of adventure he should do, and always on his mind the adventurous things were going on. And he was also a lover of books. He used to read different things, and while reading he used to escape the daily works. So he used to escape the daily things. Once I lived with the Eskimos in the land of ice and snow, went hunting and fishing. My fantasy was all aglow. So now the poet is thinking that he was living with Eskimos once. Once upon a time he used to live with the Eskimos, and the land was full of ice and snow. And there, along with the Eskimos, he went on hunting and fishing. My fantasy was all aglow, and the things which he was thinking was very glowing. I read a book of Jules Verne and went off to the moon. It was just to take a look, then it was time to return. So now the poet is saying that he was imagining that he went to the moon while reading the book of Jules Verne. So he was imagining that he had went to the moon while reading the book of Jules Verne, and just when he went there, after going there, he came back because it was the time to return. As he went there, the time had come for him to return back. I spent time in the forest of Africa with Dr. Livingstone as my guide, then off again to America with Huckleberry Finn I did hide. Then again the poet is saying that the poet in imagination, all the things he is doing in imagination. So he is saying that once upon a time he used to spend the time with Dr. Livingstone as his guide in the forest of Africa, and from there he went to America along with Dr. Huckleberry Finn, and there he used to hide. In my world of fantasy and imagination, I performed such wonderful deeds. A hero of all nations, I was one that did succeed. So he was saying that in his world full of imagination, he performed many wonderful deeds. So in this paragraph, the poet is saying that in his world full of imagination, he is doing many brave acts. He is doing many wonderful things, and he is also acting as a hero of the nation and doing several brave activities in which he had succeed, in which he achieved the success. So let us come to the next chapter, next para. Then I grew up, my childish world at an end. I had become serious, it nearly drove me around the bend. I still do like the mysterious. This is the message I am trying to send. Bernard Shaw. So the poet of the poem is Bernard Shaw. In this para, the poet is saying that now he became a adult. He grew up from his childish nature, and now he became a little serious than his childhood period. Now he grew up from the childhood period and he came in adulthood, and he had become a little serious, but becoming serious drove him crazy. Becoming serious made him mad. He did not like the way he used to live now. So I still do like the mysterious. This is the message I am trying to send. So the poet is saying that though I have become a adult, but in my inside nature it is still I am a child, and everyone should follow whatever the inside thing says to you. So the poet is saying that I am sending this message that whatever you like, you should do that way. So students, today we have completed our poem. Your homework is to go through the word meanings and the poem. In our next video, we will do the next chapter. So that's all for today. Thank you.